9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
July 23rd, 2026, I made a video and also wrote the article version which was talking about the future of gold, where I used the best 4 institutional data points, and those are the 4 screeners I picked from one tool that analyzes the financial markets using the institutional data and seasonal correlation. And I was asking myself, since gold has been in retracement since early this year, 2026, and the question is whether the pullback is over or still dipping down. I pulled up a trading view chart about gold futures, and it was just like this during that time. And when I looked at these 4 screeners, I'm going to show you real fast. I looked at both the court report. I also looked at the overbought and oversold region. I also used the pattern screener. This is the overbought and oversold region, which represents or looks like the CNN market fear, weather fear, and greed emitter. And the good thing about this was having a divergence, which I illustrated in this article. And this is the pattern screener, which was also pointing to the bullish direction of gold. I went ahead to use the 4th screener, which is seasonality, that looks back in the past to see if there is price action or behavior in some years that behaved exactly as it is happening right now. So we found that the current price of gold is behaving or correlating with that of 1999, 94.30%. You can see this is the green line, and we're expecting a bullish move right away from mid-July up to around October here. So you can see it was also correlating with that of post-election, 83.96%. And when I take you to the tool I'm referring to, which is forecaster, it is this one. This is the tool. It will give you 7 days of free trial. And if you use my code after that, and you feel it is worth it or worth your time and money, then you can go for a paid version with a discount attached to my link if at all you use it, or the coupon code W410. Okay, which is applied on every plan, the monthly plan, quarterly plan, and the yearly plan, and infinity plan, which you can also pass to your siblings. Okay, and the pricing is already indicated in here, including the discount. So if I sign in real fast, this tool just behaves like Google. You just come here to the search bar. Remember, it is like Google but for financial markets analysis, because like Google, it has all its products around here. So even when you click here, you'll see most of the features of this tool, and I've made several tutorials about it. So real fast, let me come here to gold, and this is gold. I will be referring to gold futures, but it's the same. The analysis will be the same as that of the CFD, which is XAUUSD. So let me just come here, but the screeners I'm referring to is SNL, which stands for seasonality, PTN for pattern screener, then OBS, overbought and oversold screener, then the court report. Let me just click here to open the gold screen, and you see within gold you will find the other 4 screeners once again. So like if I click on seasonality, of course this is the after 3 weeks, because this video is an update of what happened after the analysis I made. How did I take advantage of this information? Did I actually practically buy gold? Oh, of course I bought gold, and I'll show you how far we have gone and when and how I entered. So like the seasonality, you can see we were here, the analysis was around here. So we are saying that gold is likely to do what? To aid the pullback, and it ranged around here. So after ranging, it had to move up, and we are expecting it is likely to continue moving up, just like it happened in 1999. So that is the seasonality aspect. When we come to the pattern screener, this is again after 3 weeks. You can see we are still bullish, although actually used a 3-month period. In this pattern screener, you can select 1 month or 3 months, but as for me, I selected 3 months to see a whole picture to see if I can get a strong pattern. During that time, 3 weeks back, the probability score was at 83. Now it is currently at 78, and you can see it is still strong, which means we shall be targeting around 47 to 48.
Rather $4,800 around there.
When I bought gold, it was around 4,000, and so far we have moved up to 4,400 plus. Okay, so let's go to the overbought and oversold region, and I show you how it looked like on this chart. It is this, and I've ever made a video interpreting this chart with different colors, because each color means something, especially when you come here to the advanced DPO. You can see the green color means strong buy, then the blue means you hold, so we are holding buys, then the orange it's a sell, then red it's a strong sell. So I'm also still in this trade and I'm holding. I'll show you the chart on my broker on what I call the Leave MT5 or an MT5 chart. Okay, so there was also a divergence between price when I entered, because you can see this is creating higher lows. This was creating higher lows when price was creating lower lows. So that's the divergence I spotted from here. Okay, and when I saw the indicator, the market mood meter, right, creating
higher lows, just as you can see,
I knew there is an opportunity to enter this trade. Once again, when I go to the next screener, which is the fourth screener, it was having, I used two categories of traders, the producer and non-commercials, but one at a time. So I first turned off that of producers, then I combined both the price of gold chart and that of non-commercials. I also spotted that there was a divergence, because as you can see, this is the top of price of gold, this is the bottom of non-commercials, who are representing the speculative traders. They are also the same thing here. There was a top, here it was a bottom. So I said in my article version, you can also check it here. Let me show you. I said, what do you expect? Converging of both price and non-commercials to join the bull run, because when price is moving in different direction, what I was showing you when price was showing the top and the other non-commercials were showing the bottom, I said when they are moving in different direction to that of non-commercials, we expect them to later agree, and this is exactly what happened. If I can take you both to the chart, you can see this is the bottom, this is the bottom of price, and both of them are agreeing by rallying up. So that is the agreement I was expecting, and indeed it happened. Okay, so this is the article version. Of course, I'll share the link for you to go through this article if you're interested to see what I was talking about and compare the after. Because yes, I'm still holding after 3 weeks, and you can see what happened immediately. And you can also come here to YouTube. I'll also leave the link for this video. What Gold Smart Money knows that you don't, the ultimate gold forecast, and this is the video version I created here. So let me take you to the chart so that you see what happened. So when you look at this chart, first and foremost, before I entered, a price was actually around here. I had drawn this trend line. Of course, I thought that once price reaches rather breaks this trend line, I'm likely to enter, and the price had to range around for 2 good weeks. If you calculate those candles, they are 14, and I'm on a daily time frame. Okay, so I entered here and price continued ranging for almost 2 weeks, and I had to put my stop loss just down below around here on this longest week going below, and a good thing price didn't reach there. So one day I just woke up to see this big bullish candle, and I was like, wow. So I have moved to break even, and I'm risk free, and I'm thinking price is likely to continue. And as you can see, currently it is price is currently at 4,003. Actually, it's around 444, as you can see. So that is where it is currently dancing at. But I entered when it was around $4,000. So I'm still holding. Primarily, I'm an intraday trader or a day trader, but I just wanted to test and try this tool to see how it works and if I can rely on it for trading and investing in the future. And you can see the profit figure matches. I entered with the smallest lot size of 0.1. I have already gotten over $1,000 in profits. And if I, of course, increase the lot size to 0.1, this would be 10 times, which means I would be in 10,000 profit dollars, of course, $10,000 profit in just less than a month. So basically, that's how you can use this tool. And if you have any questions about this tool, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be sure to reply. All the features can be found here. At the same time, you can type any asset of your choice and you can start analyzing from different angles, even what we didn't mention, for example, the AI news. You can also look at different fundamentals, especially the stock market. All right, so until next time, keep winning.